Hey guys, welcome back to Hillbilly Airsoft. Where if you hear banjo music, don't panic, just reload faster. First off, I'd like to give a shout out to Killer Bee Airsoft for sharing my video on their page. Today you're bringing gameplay video. You'll see a little bit of differences into it, like zooming in and zooming out. It's a little bit of slow motion for a headshot at the end. You can really tell where I hit the other player. And I've also added a subscribe button animation to the videos, which you'll see as well. Here in this part of the video, you'll see where it zooms in and I take the shot and actually hit him. So if you've enjoyed the gameplay so far, please continue to watch. It's greatly appreciated. Go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button and share our videos. It helps get us out there on the YouTube a little bit better. And with that being said, guys, sit back, relax, enjoy the gameplay, and always remember, call your freaking hits. Until next time, I'll see you on the field.